Hello everyone, this is Kalyan, having 5 plus experience in big data. So today I'll be going to show how to work with the Hadoop in Windows installation. And so let me go with a basic discussion about the Hadoop and what is Hadoop and how it is going to work. Hadoop is a framework, is providing two major components. One is HDFS, other one is a MapReduce. The latest version of the Hadoop is providing one more framework is called as on top of the Hadoop is ERN. So let's take the differences between Windows and Linux flavors. The base version of the Hadoop 0.x version and 1.x version fully compatible with only the Linux. It's not meant for a Windows. But if you see in the latest version of the Hadoop 2.x version, we can able to work with the Windows as well as Linux. So I have shared a few videos regarding to Linux also, how to install it and how to work with this. But today I'm going to show in Windows how it is going to be working with the Hadoop. Currently I have configured the Hadoop in my system and I'll be going to show how it is. So currently I'm using the 2.5.2 version of the Hadoop, that is 2.x version, and I have installed as an admin user, so I have to execute my all commands as admin user. For that, in Windows, so I'll be opening in my command prompt cmd. So right click on this and go as a run as administrator. So if you want to increase the prompt, I can increase it, just give me 1 minute. Cursor size is fine. Let's put it here. Yes. Okay, now the font is somewhat visible to you. Let's go with this. So if Hadoop is installed, the base command is Hadoop is going to work. Let's try it. Yes, so in this machine currently the Hadoop command is working with. Let's clear it. And whenever you are going to start the Hadoop first time, you need to format it. For that, the command is Hadoop name node hyphen format. This command will ensure that it will format the file system of HDFS, and using this command we can able to work with the Hadoop actually. The base command is this I have given, and the next command is starting the Hadoop. That command is start hyphen all. No need to say .sh or .cmd, in automatically take it. Now the corresponding process windows are opened here, and meanwhile it's going to come some security message also. We have to accept that one. Yes, so this is a firewall thing, so you have to say allow access for the Java security purpose. So say allow access. Let's separate my windows. So JPS, you can able to see name node, data node, resource manager, node manager, not the secondary name node here. And open the browser, and by default HTTP port for the name node is 50070. So HTTP colon localhost, because I'm running in a single mission, 50070. So you can able to see, so I'm going to use the default port of RPC port is 8020. It's currently active. Which version of the Hadoop also I'm going it, you can also verify here. And currently my data nodes are live nodes are only one. It's going to hang some capacity also, and any data miss you can browse it here. Currently there is no data in the slash also, you can verify it. Okay, let's come back to old position, and here you have an option called legacy UI. You can go for this legacy UI option also. Twist it to browse file system, no data. Let's transfer some data from local system to HDFS by using the Hadoop commands. So in Windows also we can able to feel free to execute the Hadoop commands. Let's say Hadoop FS. We have some commands are available here. Let's go with the putting the data from local to HDFS using the Hadoop FS. -put. I have some files might be, let me create some files. Let me create one test folder or demo folder. Inside that, let's create a one file. Let's take it as a demo input and write some content there. I'm going to Hyderabad. I'm learning Hadoop course, some basic content. This is the path of the folder. Let's put this data to HDFS. Hadoop FS -put C drive. We have a work having a, so not work, demo having a demo input.txt. Let's transfer to HDFS as a demo input folder. So the one small change from the 100x version to 2x version is, if the parent directory is not exist, means it's not going to create. Let's first create the parent directory, fs mkdir/demo. Now let's try the previous command. It's going to work. Yes. So functionally verify here also, demo having a demo input file. And you can do appending the file also. Hadoop support 2.x version, appending the file also. Can we append the data from one file to other files? We can do it. Suppose let me create a one more file. My file good in Hadoop. Land maybe I'm learning from Orion IT. So let's add this file to demo input file. Hadoop fs -append to file. There is a C folder having a demo having a myfile.txt, append it to demo input. So what I'm doing, like I'm appending the content to the demo input file which is there in the HDFS. You can see currently the size of the file is 48 bytes. Now it's going to increase it. You can see the content also. I'm going to Hyderabad. I'm learning a Hadoop course. After that we have a content is like a I'm good in Hadoop and I'm learning from Unity Institute. Now let's process this file using the MapReduce. In Windows will support or not, 100% it's going to support. Let's try that one. Let's go to my C, work, my Hadoop. Okay, and here cd share and Hadoop MapReduce. Fine, MapReduce is enough. Let's type the here. There is a one example jar is there. I can go for Hadoop example for this. So what is the Hadoop command is Hadoop jar, path of the jar, that is currently I am already in the examples. Then one of the example I am going to execute is the word code, the basic example. So after this word count, and then I have a demo file is demo input, and make it as the output is demo word count output. Let's run this. Sorry. Now it is starting the MapReduce. Mapper is completed. Reduce is completed. You want to read that file? Hadoop fs -cat demo word count op star. You can see the output is Hadoop one time and I 3 times and it should 1 time or it like this, different things. You can also check the output folder. This is same content we can see using the command also, Hadoop command, cat command. So the functionality wise, what is a major change from the 100x version to 2x version is supporting like a Windows. So majorly they're going to give support on the Windows also, but in 100x version we don't have a direct support. If someone want to work with that, means there is an option called syswin. Using the syswin you have to go for it. So either of them is the correct approach for practicing in the Windows also. If anyone interested to know like how to install all these things, you can touch me in my Orinity Hyderabad also. You want more details regarding the course also, you can check with my blog in my website also. The video what I have right now executed, you can see it in the my YouTube also by typing Kalyan space Hadoop. And hope you're going to enjoying my videos. I'll be going to keep on sharing some more information also. Thank you.